Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to show charging information on this device. Simply go to settings and tap on the option display. Scroll down. Here you can see the option show charging information. Simply enable this one. Now let me show you how it works. Now I am going to charge this phone. Here you can see the charging information. Right? Again, let me show you. You can see. Right? This feature displays battery percentage and charging details while charging. It is a quick way to monitor charging process without unlocking your phone. Simply in this way we can show the charging information on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.